I think when Michael Knobs is saying that only Sandeep Singh or Sardara in the team can ensure a win, I think it's just coming at slightly a wrong time. The team's in Spain right now. They're trying to win a tournament. They're trying to get their act together. The team is trying to gel, and this is probably the worst time a coach can give such a statement. The simple formula here is you're playing in Olympics. You have a hockey team that doesn't have two players called Sandeep Singh and Sardara. You have a 16 team or a 16 members in a particular team. I think all of them have to come together to be able to produce a performance that can get you a top 6 position. The coach's statement, in a way you can always say that okay fine, a coach like Michael Knobs has picked up two players who he feels can influence a win, can influence India entering into the top 6. But the rest of the 14 or the rest of the 11 or 10, players like Tushar, players like Shivendra, players like Chhetri, players like Kothajit, who's a junior who's coming up and is probably going to play his first Olympics or may even not play the Olympics. It kind of brings about a rift unconsciously into the team, unconsciously into the imagination of players that only two players are playing. I think Knobs probably needs to learn a little bit more about team management just before the Olympics. But if he can still rectify this, bring the team together, it's going to be fantastic. Honestly, I don't think it's a politically incorrect statement. I think it's probably a journalistic statement or a journalistic question that was asked to him just before the Three Nations, where India is playing England and Spain. And it's like a hat. You got 16 members there. He just picked up two players. But I think somewhere with the kind of experience he has, he's played Olympics for Australia. He's been part of teams like the '84 Olympics. He's a great player himself. And I think that's where he probably faltered, and I think he must be regretting this particular statement. India has traditionally played attacking hockey. I mean, since the 40s and the 50s and the 60s, probably in somewhere in between, we probably played a little bit of midfield defensive hockey. But for a captain, for a goalkeeper to say that attacking hockey is going to take you to the medal, take you to a top 6 or whatever position in the Olympics, I think it probably is wrong, because when you come to the Olympics, you play different teams. We have Holland, we have Belgium, we have Korea. You cannot keep playing attacking hockey all the time. And the reason why probably Chhetri says this, he understands the bit that India's defense is a little weak, is a little shallow. So I think Chhetri probably what he means is that you keep playing attacking hockey, you might get the goals. But at the same time, when you play a team like Holland, they will plug in and they will find the gaps. And I think somewhere there has to be some kind of a midfield that goes and plays attacking hockey and then comes back and defends. So Chhetri probably needs to find out how to get this together. The Indian team has a huge amount of self-belief. It has come simply because now the team is probably on the top 4 nations in the world in terms of fitness. In terms of skill, they were always up there. They always had good skills. But I think this team lacks experience. And the reason I'm saying this is you can keep playing France, you can keep playing other teams, but you need to play Australia, you need to play Holland, you need to play Germany, Spain, Belgium regularly. You start beating a top team regularly, confidence comes in. So these statements, whether it is Michael Knobs or a Sandeep Singh or a Sardar or even Chhetri saying that the team is going to do well, is not coming just because they want to say it. They have done a good track record. They have won the Orders Champions Trophy. But I think what probably makes this team say all this and with so much of confidence is basically that the team is really highly fit. And I think for 70 minutes to play at that pace, this team can probably go forward, beat a few good teams and even draw a big game.